obesity is an issue that is prevalent in all parts of the world. In fact, the statistics show that the cases of these conditions are rising day by day. Tackling the issues of being overweight or obese is very hard, especially now. In such a situation, people often go for other ways to manage this issue, such as taking one of the many supplements for weight loss. Leptitox is one of the most popular ones. Why is it hard to lose weight? Losing weight has become a big challenge for even people who need to shed only a few pounds. This is because many simply have lifestyles that are too hectic. You may come home from your job, thinking you will put aside time for yourself, but then you get too indulged in other work. Hence, following a meal plan and finding time for the gym is indeed hard. Instead, you may end up spending a lot of money on an activity or program that may not help you at all. What do you do in such a situation? Identifying the cause of weight gain in situations where you are unable to lose weight is essential. Sometimes, you may not even be aware of how little things can halt your journey of losing extra weight. Surprisingly, many people are not aware of common conditions that led to weight gain even though every other person has them. One of them is leptin resistance. Leptin is a hormone that is secreted by fat cells upon growth. This specific hormone is also responsible for controlling the levels of hunger. So, a low level of leptin will make you hungry, while a high level of it will make you feel full. Sometimes, you can develop the condition known as leptin resistance, where you do not feel full no matter how much you eat. Sounds like a familiar condition? You may have it as well. In fact, researchers predict that around 3/4 of people in the US will have leptin resistance by the year 2020. The common symptoms of leptin resistance include frequent hunger pangs, difficulty in losing weight, and weight gain. The leading cause for the conditions varies from person to person and can include factors such as exposure to toxins from the environment around you. What is Leptitox and how can it help you? As mentioned before, weight loss supplements are often the answer to many people who are tired of trying different diets and exercises. For the people suffering from leptin resistance and for those who struggle with weight issues in general, Leptitox supplement may be helpful. Leptitox is an all-natural weight loss supplement that can help you lose pounds, be healthy overall, and achieve the fitness goal that seemed impossible to you. By taking one capsule of the supplement per day, you can see your stubborn fat around your stomach disappearing. Leptitox comes with no side effects. It is formulated using only natural and safe ingredients. How does it work? While looking for supplements that can boost your weight loss journey, you are bound to come across many options. However, you may notice that not all of them work the same way. You may still have to follow strict diets or vigorous weight loss routines with some of them. What about Leptitox? Do not worry. You do not have to consume an extremely low-calorie diet or spend hours at the gym for this supplement to work. By taking Leptitox, you can manage your leptin resistance better as it targets endocrine disruptors that may be causing the issue in the first place. In addition, it is also suitable for overall health. The supplement can also boost the health of your heart, promote circulation, and elevate energy levels. You start seeing the results within a few weeks of taking the supplement.